Are you tired of manually scanning for vulnerabilities, wasting countless hours without accurate results? With limited time and increasing demands, generating comprehensive reports for every cross-site scripting scenario becomes impossible. Frustrated clients. Missed deadlines. For bug bounty hunters, endless hours of manual testing often lead to little or no success, wasting valuable time without accurate tools. Meet xss0r, the powerful cross-site scripting detection tool that changes the game. Automate your scans, reduce manual work, and achieve unmatched accuracy. xss0r automates cross-site scripting testing, eliminates false positives, and generates detailed reports instantly. No more wasted hours, no more dissatisfied clients. Every cybersecurity company needs tools they can trust. xss0r provides automated scanning, comprehensive reports, and client-ready results, all in one efficient package. Bug bounty hunters. Unlock the power of accurate cross-site scripting detection. xss0r turns countless hours of work into seconds, maximizing your success rate. Users of xss0r have reported unparalleled success, earning bounties that pay back their investment many times over. Join thousands of professionals worldwide who trust xss0r to deliver precise cross-site scripting detection and keep their organizations secure. Don't let manual testing slow you down. Elevate your game with xss0r. Visit store.xss0r.com and experience the future of cross-site scripting detection.